Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset the oil maintenance reminder light on a 2019 Honda HRV. What you want to do is you want to come up underneath the dashboard right here to this button here. You're going to use this button and you're going to turn the car to the on position. So let's start it up first to the on position. Let it come up to the dashboard, comes alive. We're on the oil life index. We're going to take this button here and hold it down for probably about 10-15 seconds, and you'll notice the dashboard starts to flash. Let your finger off the button, put it back on. And it resets to 100%. All right, so take your time. Sometimes you'll have to take your finger off of it and push it down again. Again, let me show you. Key is in the off position. We're going to start the car. We're on now the oil life index. We're going to push this button and hold it down until the dashboard starts to flash. Once it starts to flash, we just let go and press it again. And it'll reset to 100%. All right, fairly easy. Just remember, you're just using this button, and the key is either in the on position, or you can have the car running, whichever works for you. All right, as always, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.